Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to today's video. And if you see markets making an extremely weird candle this week, right? And this was the election effect, and as I said, there will be a lot of volatility and levels will not work. But still some levels did work, like this trend line. If you see, just look at that, how good of a support Bank Nifty has taken on that trend line. And Nifty also, if you see, making a very good candle in the weekly charts, a very bullish candle also. So what can we do for next week is going to be pretty simple. Now, one thing that is very important for you to understand is that if a sell-off has to come, there will not be a pullback like this. You cannot say that this is a pullback over here, right? If a sell-off had to come, most probably Nifty would have gone down from here itself after making a green candle, you can say, or most probably Nifty wouldn't have given this follow-up over here, or even close at day high on this day over here itself, right? And as I said in my in the day of this day over here on Tuesday, in Tuesday's video, you can go and watch Tuesday's video, that if we close about 22,600, 24,000 will come very fast, right? The target for 24,000 will be open very fast, right? And if you see 22,600, we close the next day itself about 22,600, and from there itself we are just 700 points away from 24,000 as of now, right? And I have also taken bullish positions over here. I have bought 23,000 call option, not in my own account, but yes, where I work, I have bought 23,000 call option, right? And it is going in very good profit. I bought it at this day itself, when somewhere before, a little bit before closing itself. So yes, a very good reversal over here in Nifty. And keep in mind that, as I said, that if a sell-off has to come, or if the market has to change the trend and start to move down and become very negative from here, we will not see such a big pullback. If we are seeing such a big up move after such a big down move, that means market is still not ready to start to move up from here, right? So I hope that is very clear for you guys. I'm sorry. Now what you can do for next week is going to be very simple. In the weekly charts, pretty bullish. What can happen in this week, and if that happens, is that if we get a dip near 23,000, because 23,000 is now going to act as a very good support for the market. If we get a dip near 23,000, we can take that as an opportunity to take very good long positions till 24,000. Keep that in mind, right? And at 23,000 also, you can start to make positive, not positive, but bullish trades for a very big target of 24,000 on the upside. For Bank Nifty is a little bit weak because Bank Nifty still isn't near the high of basically high of the its candle that it had, the high that it had made this week. Whereas Nifty, if you see, very close to the high. So it looks like Bank Nifty will be a little bit under pressure, at least until it crosses 50,500. Above 50,500 is where I think Bank Nifty can start to take a little bit of strength and get in line with Nifty. But yes, even above 50,000, Bank Nifty will start to get strong. Keep that in mind, right? So yes, for Bank Nifty, very good level of 49,000. If we come near 49,000, we can go ahead and take a bullish position again with the target of 52,000 also very easily. Because now the market, if it breaks this high, then chances are that 52,000, 53,000, all these levels will also not be very far away. And for Bank Nifty, 24,000 will not be very far away. If we break 24,000 and sustain, then 24,500, 25,000 are also not a big deal. And if you see some sort of rally like this, we can start to see again in our markets over here also. Why do I say so? Is because if you see, whenever there is such a big rally, market first goes down and traps everyone. Over here also, if you see, market broke this support, trapped everyone, and then started this big rally. Over here in this daily chart also, if you'll go and see, market broke this trend line, and then if you see 4 weeks of continuous buying. So whenever the market has to move up, it will trap everyone, and now it has trapped a lot of sellers on the downside. So definitely it looks like now the market can start to move up and go up till at least 24,000 first of all, and then even higher targets if we break 24,000. So for this week, in daily charts, if you see, Bank Nifty looking bullish, 49,000 very good support. If we need a better support than that, we will go into the 15-minute chart and look at the supports. But for Nifty, 23,000 very good support in the daily chart and in the weekly charts also. Now in the weekly chart, if you see, Nifty is near this all-time high over here and near this resistance. What can happen? Two things can happen over here. Either Nifty opens flat or with a little bit of gap down somewhere near 23, 240, 250, all these levels also, and then it can start to break 23,330 on the upside. If that happens, 320 to 330 on the upside, if that happens, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. But what I would recommend is that if we start to move up in the first time over here itself, then I would suggest do not take a bullish position. If you want to take a bullish position, wait for either positive price action and then go ahead and take a bullish position. But I have a feeling that this level is a very obvious level for the market. So market, even if it goes above that, it can trap everyone and then again start to come down. So better thing would be, if we open the gap down, we will wait for one pullback on the downside. Now if 23,160 is being 23,160 to 200, if this zone is acting as a good support and you start seeing that the market is making positive price action in 15-minute chart from here itself, then you can start to take a bullish position from here itself, because then market will have a good pullback and then it can again start to move up till 23,500 on the upside. Now I have a feeling that from 23,500 we'll have a little bit of profit booking, since it is a round number and since we have basically done a 2000 point rally, straight 2000 point rally from 20 to 21,300 all the way up to 23,300. So if we take a little bit of pullback and start to move up again, then 23,500 will be a very good level where you can book your profits. Another thing that might happen is that market might also break this level in one go and start to move up, and if that happens, you can still go ahead and take a bullish trade. As I said, wait for positive price action in 5-minute chart and then go ahead and take a bullish trade, right? But keep in mind that if you are taking a trade over here, keep your stop loss very tight. Why am I saying so is that because if the market has to trap everyone, it will go up and it will again come back down very fast from here. So do not keep a very wide stop loss over here. Keep a small stop loss and then go ahead and take a trade over here till 23,500 on the upside, right? I hope that is good. But the best trade would be if the market comes down till 23,000 levels. Now 23,000 to 23,100, in this 100-point range, anywhere you see market taking bullish making a bullish price action, making a bullish pattern over here or reversal pattern, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade from it till the target of 23,500 on the upside. That will be a little bit of positional target, might not come in a single day itself. So you can keep a target of 23,150 to 200 first of all, and then you can let your positions run till 23,500 also. But you will need to maybe wait a day or two for that to happen, right? So yes, I hope that is clear. If we open with a gap up, let's say somewhere near 22, 350, 400, all these levels, we'll wait for one pullback. We'll not buy at higher levels. If then market comes down near 23,300 to 250, in this area, if market is taking good support, we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade again from here. Maybe makes positive price action or makes any sort of reversal pattern or makes any sort of bullish candle in 15-minute chart. We will go ahead and take a bullish trade till 23,500 again. So that is the plan for Nifty. Most probably 23,000 should be held over here and then we should start to move up. If 23,000 breaks, then probably we will go in a bit of a consolidation for a few days and then we will again start to move up from here. Talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty is a little bit more weaker as compared to Nifty, if you see, and Bank Nifty consolidated a lot in the last you can say couple of hours on Friday. So what can happen in Bank Nifty is that Bank Nifty might open flat, start to move down and go down till 49,600. Over here, if you see, Bank Nifty is taking good support, either making positive price action, either making a very green candle, a bullish candle in 15-minute chart. You can go ahead and take a bullish trade from it till the target of 50,000 first of all, right? But most probably if that happens, if market goes down and again comes back in this range over here, chances are market will break 50,000 and go up till 50,200 also very easily. Why am I saying so is that if market moves down from it, it will trap a lot of people who will start selling as soon as this range is broken. This consolidation, if you see, if this consolidation is broken, a lot of people will start selling, and so market can trap everyone and then start to move from it. If that happens, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade near 49,600. If 49,600 is broken, then we'll wait for the range of 49,000 to 49,200. In this area is where then we will again start to take a bullish trade, either after seeing a positive price action in in 15-minute chart or seeing any sort of reversal pattern, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade in this area afterwards with again a target of 49,000. You can say the intraday target will be somewhere near 49,400 to 500, but I don't think there will be such a big correction tomorrow itself. It might take a day or two. So at lower levels, we will not take a selling position because there are multiple supports over here. So taking a selling position isn't really a very good idea to do over here. If we open with a gap up somewhere near 50,000 or above 50,000, we will not take a bullish position, as I said, at higher levels, because market is already overextended, if you see. So now taking a bullish position at higher levels is not really a great thing to do. Rather, we'll wait for the market to come down till 49,800. If the market is then taking good support from here, making positive price action in 5-minute chart, over here positive price action will be very important. So wait for a higher high to be made in 5-minute chart, and only then go ahead and take a bullish trade. That is if you open with a gap up above 50,000 or at 50,000, and then you can keep your target again at 50,100, 50,200, all these levels, and let the rest go up till 50,500 also very easily. Now Bank Nifty, the RBI monetary policy, it wasn't really sort of anything which was out of the box that the RBI governor said. So yeah, pretty good stable policy. So I think that should also be good for banks, and I think Bank Nifty should also see a bit of short covering tomorrow. So at lower levels, we'll go ahead and take a buying position. Selling as of now we will not do. We will wait for selling for one more day. If we see any sort of good setup that is being made in the market, only then will we go ahead and take a selling position in the market. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.